Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am very excited because I'm doing this look from this TV show, Julie and the Phantoms, that I'm obsessed with, and I watched it like 3 or 4 times now. I made my parents watch it the other day, which was very fun. So I show you how to get Julie's look from the Edge of Grey, which is a really good song, to be fair, and a really good performance. It's one of my favourite performances in the show. I'll put timestamps below for different parts of the Get the Look, including the DIY top, and yeah, let's get on. Okay, so to get Mad's beautiful, oh, nearly dropped it, beautiful skin, we're going to start off using a primer. I'm showing you the open primer, I don't know why. This is the e.l.f. poreless putty one that I used in the video for Carrie, and I'm just going to apply this to the T-zone, starting here. I'm going to take quite a bit, and we've nearly hit the bottom of this. Oh well. So during the scene and most scenes, I forgot the name of the character.
Few moments later.
Julie, that's the name I'm looking for. Julie tends to have very natural, glowy-ish makeup. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to use the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I'm going to get my beauty blender and just spray it with a bit of spray to wet it a bit. And then apply this foundation to the face. So we're going to conceal, and we're just going to conceal under the eyes using the matching concealer. This is the Born to Glow one in a shade lighter, I believe. This is light ivory. We're just going to pop a dot under the eye, and here, around the edge of the nose, on the chin, on the forehead. A blending brush to blend the line. I'm going to set that a little bit using the mercier powder. I'm taking like a teeny bit. I'm just going to buff this under the eyes, and like the forehead. I'm going to take a little bit of contour, this Revolution contour palette. I'm going to use this shade here. I'm just going to apply it here to give a bit of shape back to the face after we took it all out with the foundation. This look is so easy. We're going to take some blush. This is the same one that I used for Carrie. I'm taking a teeny bit. She does not have as much as the girls in Dirty Candy do. And then take the big bronze brush and whoop. So for the eyeshadow, this is what I did for my cosplay. This is, I don't know, I just took this shade here from the Soph Extra Spice palette, and I just dusted it over the lid to add a little bit of sparkle. Take the shade Cookie Dough, which is this one, just on the outer corner, a teeny bit just under the lower lash line. Then we're going to do brows. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Okay, so we're nearly done with the makeup portion of this look. I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paradise Exatic or extatic. I call it exatic, but it's extactic. I don't know, I've never called it that in my life before. Put a teeny bit on the lower lash line. And the last thing for this look is lip gloss. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Havana Camila Cabello Lip Dew in... The label's gone. This one. Now for the part that you probably came to the video for, I'm going to show you how I made the edge of grey top. So let's do that. Okay, so the angle of this part is a little weird because the extension lead doesn't reach, so that I can have my glue gun. Like, this is as far as it goes. So to make this shirt I used two different tops, and the first one I used is this one shoulder top from Pretty Little Thing. So I'm just gonna... Okay, so now that we have this first part on, and I'm going to take this off the shoulder white crop top. It has little sleeves like this and they tie in the side. I'm not sure where this is from. Label. I cut it out because it annoyed me. But I've had this top ages. I'll link in the description. Some similar tops. So we're going to put this on. I'm going to pull this top down a bit so that the strap isn't like this and it's more like this from the centre. Then we're going to do the fun part. So I bought these little butterflies online. I will also tag them below. I did not stick these on, but I'm going to just stick them on permanently because I don't wear this top. I just looked at a picture of Madison wearing the top online and sort of memorised where the different butterflies go. So, okay, so her sleeves are a lot more voluminous than these, so feel free to buy a more voluminous top. I just already had this, so decided this was what was best. I was just looking and adjusting it in the mirror. So the blue butterfly top part, one blue butterfly, 3 pink and 2 purple. Yes. So the blue one is sort of going here. Here. Oh, this one didn't want to stick. You could definitely do the back too. She has a green one on the back, like near the centre at the top. Why do you not want to stick either? You could definitely add more or less if you want. This is just more of an exact look. And to get them in the hair, these ones that I bought are actually magnetic. So I just slide the hair grip where I need the butterfly and then I pop it in. So for the hair you need an orange, a pink, a blue and a green. The orange one goes here. Like that. A blue one is sort of like more on the side. Here. And then you want a green one. Oh my god, I feel like these are so badly placed. So the blue one needs to be further down, but we're not fixing this. And then a green one right in the top at the side here. Like so. And then you have, oh, look like Julie from Julie and the Phantoms. For the hair, I just curled it and put it in a half up and then put these butterflies in. If you want a closer look to hers, some bracelets on both hands. She has them on both wrists. I just have these old bracelets when I was younger. Perfect, just like Julie. And then for bottoms, I have these jogging bottoms. They have got dog hairs on because my dog basically comes upstairs all the time. These are from Pretty Little Thing, and they'll be tagged below, but they have this white stitching on them, which I thought was very similar to hers. You could always paint them and make them a little bit closer, but I like wearing these and I don't want to ruin them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment down below your favourite Julie and the Phantoms song. Mine at the moment is Wake Up. I just love the song. Madison has an amazing voice and she is so talented. The whole cast is really talented. Thank you so much for watching. Leave comments down below as well for any video ideas. I love you guys. Bye. Abigail, I'm filming. Leave me alone. Don't laugh at me. You're so mean. This is why I don't like you at home. Did you just shrug your shoulders at me? On the edge of great. Mom, I'm trying to film.
Oh, look at it.
Does it look like hers did?
Yeah, and done your eyes, and you've got your different eyes in as well. Just fish and chips.
Yes, guys, please.
So if I get fish and chips to share once, and we'll have some chips and some fish. And I'll get scraps, Kimberley.
No scraps.